What's up, great people? How you doing? Welcome back to my channel. This is Flora Best, and I'm back with another video. But before we dive right into it, if this is your first time on this channel, you're very much welcome. Please consider subscribing to my channel, and don't forget to turn on your post notification bell. By so doing, you won't miss any of my videos. Alright guys, let's dive right into it.
Hello guys, welcome back to Flora Best YouTube channel, and today we're going to give you another trending gele. And this time around it's just a one-sided gele. Just stay and watch.
Don't go anywhere. Like, comment, and subscribe. Share too.
Okay, so I'm with my gele here, and I'm going to be starting by making my pleats. So I'm going to be making like 4, 5, or 6 pleats, depending on how big your gele is. So for this look today, we'll be making 1, 2, 3. Okay, so I made 2, 4, 6 pleats. These are 6 pleats here, and place it on my client muse. Ask her to hold this pin very good. Very well. Okay, and while she's holding that, I'm going to extend the pleats. I'm extending the pleat now, and I'm going over. See me? I'm crossing it over to the side, over, cross, and I'm going to be taking this large one, putting it on top of that other one to hold it first. This way. And we'll start making our pleats. Actually, we'll start making our fan gele. Sorry. Thank you. Making our fan gele. So you watch, when you create your pleats, you extend it, you usually have that pleat coming out here for easy access for you to continue the pleats. And I'm not going to be creating much pleats here, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, a 5th one, which is okay. And then I start creating my fan gele. You want to hold it firm, guys. You can use pin to help you, and I'll start creating my fan gele. Want to be careful when you get this fan gele. Make sure you fan down to the end. Now I'm going to be extending the pleats. Extend the pleats. For most people, you want to use your pins to lock in your fan so that you don't loosen as you're tying them. So that clips, you want to lock it in. I'm going to be extending my clips again, and I'll still create my fan. And I'm creating my fan. I'll extend my pleats. Create my fan. Extend my pleats. Making your pleats. And roll my pleats here. You want to use your pin to make sure it's well secured and it doesn't lose. This foil go inwards this way. Make sure your pin is secured. Use this hand to press it down and begin to roll. Let your client to press it down for you, and once secure it, guys. And keep rolling it. Get to the back, and I'll get the second one. Tell your hands to be dirty. So you're used to hold it, press it down, press it very tight. Hold like you're doing it. Then you come to this one. You want to fold in like this, and fold in, you get that the tail that we had initially, and you want to take this side of it and you want to tie it. Not every part of it you tie, just that one side of it. You want to tie it very firm. While you tie it, you need to ask your client who is firm enough. Sorry guys, this particular gele is very, very thick. When you do, you go back to the front and make sure your gele is sitting properly. Be careful. As you can see, as you're sitting well, and you go back to this excess here. This excess here. All you do is you twist it, guys, and find a place to lock it in with your pin. Lock it firmly so it doesn't lose. Good. And this is the back view of it. And once you're done doing this, you want to push it down, hold it, push it back a little so we see a little hairline. If you notice that there's excesses here, guys, all you need to do is go to the back, this particular point here, and all you do is take it in. And secure the pin. The pin, please. And this is it. And this is a one-sided fangele threading style. Guys, I hope you like what you see. Please don't forget to like, comment,
subscribe
and subscribe
to Flora Best YouTube channel. Don't go anywhere. We're not true.
Okay, so this is our one-sided fan gele, trending gele, and guys, I hope you like what you see. This is the side view of it, and this is the other side. This is how it looks. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to our channel, Flora Best YouTube channel, and we'll bring you more beautiful trending gele. Thank you so much. Please comment down below. Love you. Bye.
Share and subscribe to Flora Best channel. Bye.